Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Shopify store builds customer trust and ensures smooth payment processing. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin panel using your store credentials. Step 2. Complete your store information. Go to Settings General and fill all required fields. Step 3. Add your business details including legal business name, address, and tax identification. Step 4. Set up Shopify payments. Navigate to Settings, Payments, and complete the application. Step 5. Verify your identity. Upload requested documents like driver's license or business registration. Step 6. Confirm your bank account. Enter banking details for receiving payments from sales. Step 7. Complete tax setup. Go to Settings, Taxes, and configure based on your location. Step 8. Add store policies. Include refund, privacy, and terms of service policies. Step 9. Remove password protection when ready to launch. Settings, Preferences, Disable password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.